Hope all of you received the questions and answers of chapter 1. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 2, troubleshooting. While you are going to listen or you are going to view this video, please open your book, page number 16 or 17. In this chapter, you are going to learn about some problems which comes during the usage of a computer. We, the human beings, are doing mistakes sometimes. As you know that a computer is a machine, the machine can also do some mistakes or behave in another way that we never expect. One special word is there, that is malfunction. You can see in your book it is written. What is the meaning of malfunction? Malfunction means functioning improperly. Functioning in an improper way. Suppose you want to open MS Paint. That means you want to draw something. You have followed the procedure how to open MS Paint, but instead of MS Paint, some another software opens. Suppose calculator opens. So this kind of behavior of a computer is called malfunctioning. That means functioning in an improper way. So it is a problem. If we have tried to solve the problem, if we solve the problem, that is called troubleshooting. That we are in trouble, we are going to face this trouble to resolve that. That is called troubleshooting. Look at your book, page number 17. You can see some areas where a computer can function improperly. It is in a hardware part, it can be in a software part, or it can be in an operating system. Hardware that you have already studied, that you can touch, you can feel, that is CPU, keyboard, mouse, monitor, all of these are the part of hardware. And software, where we basically work. I'm repeating, where we basically work. That means suppose we want to calculate something, we need a calculator. If you open your calculator in your computer on the desktop screen, so that is a software. If you want to type something, that is a software. You have to open a software, typing software. So in the software part also, a computer can malfunction. It behave another way. Operating system, it is the important part. Operating system also sometimes can behave in a different way that we never expect. So in case of hardware, you can see in the book, in case of hardware, what kind of malfunctioning we can see. That means, suppose you are watching a movie, suppose you are drawing an image, suddenly you have seen your screen become off, but you can see a blinking light in your CPU. So it is a kind of hardware malfunctioning that you cannot see. You are unable to see your desktop screen. Suddenly you have seen that a light that is always available on a CPU, suddenly it is off. While you are drawing, suddenly you feel that mouse cursor, the cursor is not moving on your screen. While you are moving your mouse continuously, still the cursor is not moving. Or suddenly you have seen your CPU is making noise and lots of sound. So these are the malfunctioning of hardware. These are the malfunctioning of hardware. What is the meaning of malfunctioning of software? Basically, you can see in your book, a software is a program that you know, through which a user, that means we, instruct to the computer that what we need actually. So what is the meaning of malfunctioning of a software? How to understand? Suddenly found this kind of message, alright, this kind of error message, that hard disk failure, that a particular software is not working properly. You want to draw something, you open MS Paint, suddenly automatically it closed. That means it is a MS Paint software is malfunctioning. You are drawing, you move the mouse to draw something, suddenly you have seen that the line or that the mark is coming late. You have already dragged the mouse, but after a few seconds the line comes. It is also a kind of malfunctioning. Alright, so all of these are the part of software malfunctioning. What is the meaning of operating system malfunctioning? How an operating system malfunction in improper way. As you have already studied that without operating system we cannot do any other work. A computer can run, but we cannot do any work. Operating system provides us an interface, desktop screen, taskbar. Operating system provides us a shelf where you can put our softwares. An operating system provides us an interface where we can open our different softwares, calculator, games, MS Paint, MS Word, different kind of softwares that you have used already. So how does an operating system malfunction? You are working on a computer. Suddenly, computer automatically become off. The power of computer became automatically off. Suddenly you have seen again it on automatically. You have clicked on the start button, but you have to wait to comes out the start menu. Continuously you are waiting, but start menu comes late. These kind of problems are called operating system malfunction. That means operating system is not working properly. In your book, page number 18, it is written how to solve this kind of malfunction. If a computer malfunction in a different way, hardware, software, or operating system, how to solve this, how to shoot this kind of troubles. We have already discussed problem solving of a computer is called troubleshooting. You have to identify first that what kind of problem it is. It is a hardware problem, it is a software problem, or it is the problem of an operating system. Book some activities are there. Page number 18, 19, 20, 21. Some activities are there. That means you are given some situations. I mean, suppose mouse is not working properly. Then what you should do? You have to shut down the computer, or you have to break the computer. What you should do? Here, one term came, defragment. What is the meaning of defragment? Suppose your room. You put all of your stuff here and there. That means your room is not organized. All the stuff present inside your room is not organized. So what happened? You put all the stuff in a proper place. You clean your room. Now what will happen? If your room is unorganized, it will take more space inside your room. If you organize all the stuff, if you arrange all the stuff by order, if you put everything in a proper order, so what happens? It will take a particular space that is required for that particular stuff, and you will get more free space. That is called defragmentation in computerial language. So what is the meaning of defragmentation? Defragmentation means free up space and organize your data. Alright. So read the situations, try to solve it by yourself. I am giving you one example. In case of that I told you before, you are drawing, suddenly you found that your mouse is not working. So what you have to do? Look at your CPU properly. The mouse is attached with CPU with a USB cable. So take out the USB cable and put it in again. Maybe your mouse start working. Alright? If still it is not working, then put that mouse in another computer. If still it is not working, that means your mouse has damaged. Or actually the hardware device, that is mouse, is not working properly. Your computer is working. So these kind of situations are given here. Read this properly, try to understand it. Thank you very much.